Oh, shoot.
Hey, welcome back to another episode of How We Do It. Let's see what we got today. Shout out to Hamper. Always has the best smoking utensils. Hey, we got some leftover turkey. Let's go ahead and make a turkey noodle soup. Alright, first thing we gotta do with this turkey noodle soup is cook off these egg noodles. I got that turkey stock that we used a couple of days ago, and I got it in a pot. We're gonna bring that up to a boil. Then we're gonna cook off these egg noodles. If you don't have enough turkey stock, you can add some chicken broth. That'll work just as fine. We're gonna drop in a little salt. We got that turkey stock up to a boil. So now, we're gonna take some of these egg noodles. We're gonna drop it in. And we're gonna let these cook off for about 7-9 minutes. During those 7-9 minutes, come over and give your noodles a little stir. Smells delicious already. That turkey stock, man. After that 7 or 9 minutes is up, we're gonna take these noodles and we're gonna strain off this stock. Hey, we got those noodles out. Give it a little taste. Yeah, buddy. We got that turkey stock right over here, off to the side. We're gonna use that in a little bit. But in the meantime, we got that pot right here. We're gonna drop a little bit of oil. We're gonna drop some butter. I took a whole red onion, give that about a medium dice. And I got some carrots and celery we're gonna drop in also. We're gonna saute this off for a little bit. And then we're gonna drop in 3 cloves of garlic, minced up, until it gets nice and fragrant. Carrots and celery going in. Give that a little mix. Now we're gonna drop in our red onions. Give that a mix. And of course, we're gonna add some salt and pepper. A little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. Gonna give that a mix. And we're gonna let this go for about 3-4 minutes. Now I'm gonna drop in that garlic. We're gonna let that go for about a minute. Let it get nice and fragrant. It smells delicious. You know, especially when it's raining, cold outside. It's gonna taste really good. After that minute is up, we're gonna take this leftover turkey stock that we got right over here, and we're gonna drop it back into this pot. We're gonna bring it up to a boil, and then we're gonna turn it down to a simmer. We want those carrots to be tender, not fall apart. I also have 2 bay leaves and some thyme that I'm gonna drop in. I'm gonna let this boil for about 5 minutes. Then I'm gonna turn it down to a simmer. At about 2 minutes left, I turn the heat down. We're gonna let this sit for about 15-20 minutes. I'm gonna come over and check on my carrots, make sure that they're nice and tender, and then we'll add our leftover turkey. Turkey's already cooked, right? So there's no point of putting the turkey in, you know what I'm saying, early. It just defeats the purpose. But yeah. Alright, that 15 minutes is up. Okay, get a little carrot, a little bit of celery, if I can get it. There we go. It's hot. Yeah. If you need to, adjust seasoning. We're gonna add a little bit of lemon pepper. Give that a mix. We're gonna get that thyme and bay leaf out also. Got that out. We're gonna take that turkey. We're gonna drop that in. I don't drop the noodles in. I put the noodles into the bowl per serving. If you drop the noodles in too early into the whole entire pot, it's just gonna absorb the liquid. We don't want that. Hey, check out that turkey noodle soup. Alright, you already know what time it is. Man, so delicious. Don't forget, like, subscribe, share, comment. You already know. Stay tuned.